Today we're taking a quick look at the LiftMaster L956W wireless wall control panel. This unit is designed to control your garage door opener from inside the garage without needing a hardwired wall button. It gives you a clean wall-mounted control option, especially useful when running new wires is difficult or when replacing an older wireless wall station. The L956W has a simple front button layout, making it easy to open and close the garage door with one press. It is battery-powered, so there is no direct wiring needed for normal operation. This wall control is commonly used with compatible LiftMaster and Chamberlain garage door openers that support Security Plus 2.0 technology, usually identified by the yellow Learn button on the opener. Overall, the LiftMaster L956W is a convenient wireless control panel for everyday garage door use, giving you easy access from inside the garage while keeping the setup simple and clean.